Hi everyone, this is Haley.
And this is Lily.
And we have an exciting announcement to make.
Right behind us, we just got a Raptor F-150 right off the truck.
And today we're going to be talking to you about some of the features that are on this one-of-a-kind truck.
Let's get at it. Starting here in the engine, it comes equipped with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost high output engine, so power is not a question when it comes to this.
Coming over here to the side, you have your 17-inch wheels that come equipped with some huge off-road tires on them. And then coming to the back, you've got your 5-link rear suspension, making this truck not only ready for the road, but ready for any off-roading you might do.
This F-150 comes equipped with the power tailgate, along with your spray and bed liner, your bed work surface, and then also your onboard plug-ins.
Coming into the back here, you have storage in the back. You've got rear heated seats. You have a gorgeous panoramic sunroof right above you. You have heated and ventilated seats in the front, adaptive cruise control. You are going to have all of the features. You even have a 360-degree camera that will get you in and out of all your parking.
Call Haley or Lily today.